Hi folks, this is Alex from All for Hunter speaking. Now I am here to present you the Sellier Bellot Screen Ammo. You see me shooting and here you see the perfect impact. But the main interesting thing about this ammunition is that here in the cinema I shot at 25 meters, but the rifle, the unique Alpine Nordland Scout with a Leupold rifle scope on it, is zeroed at 100 meters plus 4 centimeters high. So why is this possible? You can use this ammunition in the cinema and for the real hunt your normal ammunition, and you have the same point of impact. This is one of the main features, and I think this is really, really good because you have not to adjust anything on your rifle scope. Practice and exercise is important for hunting, but when you go to a shooting cinema you have a big problem with emissions. So lead, mercury or other stuff. But with the screen ammo from Sellier Bellot you have not these problems. You had a lead-free zinc core, a nickel-plated bullet jacket, no lead, no mercury, no barium or other stuff, and this ammunition is made for indoor shooting and it is a perfect ammunition for indoor shooting. Another important feature, especially for hunters like me, is the few cleaning expenses. Nickel-plated bullet, fewer frictions, lower speed, lower heat development, so you have fewer deposit and dirt in the barrel. But there's another important point. This ammunition is only made for cinemas. It is not for the normal hunting. And now I will try another shots with the Sellier Bellot Screen Ammo. See you next time.